This is the way we fill our beamer, fill our beamer, fill our beamer. If you don't know how to pump gas on your S1000RR, this is how you do it. Push this thingy. You insert it into that thingy, like you insert your penis into a vagina, and you make love to it, like this. Oh yeah. Then you rub the tip all over the rim. You're done. I am the one. Testing out the microphone setup again. Hopefully it works. Helmet feels lighter already without the GoPro backpack setup. It's amazing what a little bit of weight shaving on the front chin of your helmet will do. I'm going to meet up my girlfriend for dinner because she messaged me last minute saying she wanted to go out to eat. Lucky for me, it's like 60 degrees out right now, 65. So it's nice bike weather right now. So yeah, I don't know, I kind of just got the idea of going back to this mic setup because I was trying to help Triumph Babe to kind of figure out her mic setup. We is, like my ghetto terms, we is going to meet up my girlfriend. Right in front of a state trooper. Oops, sorry. So nice out. I apologize if the angle's off or if you really can't see anything. It's dark as hell down this road. There's not much down here, and I'm on a super sport and I'm short, so whatever, bitches. Wow, fucking rocks. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see everything and hear everything, because I'm back to my wired mic setup. That was weird. Using the clutch to shift. Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should. Just got done having dinner with my lady. She's gonna spend the night with her parents. Her parents came down to visit from New York, so they're gonna hang out tonight. I am going back home because I gotta work tomorrow and I drive a company vehicle, so yeah. Gotta get my ass home and go cuddle with my puppy. I hate leaving my dog. For anybody who owns a dog or an animal or a pet or whatever, for me it's like my kid. That's my fur baby. That's my little kid. I gotta make sure he's alright, you know. I always think about him when I leave the house. I feel guilty as hell when I leave the house and he gives me that face like, where you going? Where you going? Why you leaving me? Why you leaving me? No, if my dog had a voice, he'd be like, yo, bro, what it is? Where you going? Sorry for the boring video or the dark video. Night riding. I'm a night rider. Yeah. Call me Batman. Except this Batman's on a red bike because black bikes are just too 2016. We're in 2017. Batman rides a red bike because red bikes are like 10 times cooler. Yeah. Alright, I'm about to get on the highway. It's gonna get loud and obnoxious and funky and stuff, so that downshift though. Alright, later. Sorry. That burnout though.